Well, today I'm going to show you how to create an email signature. I know some of you have been seeing this and maybe you think it is a paid service. But today, let me show you how to create this professional email signature that has got your social media links, that has got your contact, your profile pic. So follow with me. We are going to use Canva. I told you Canva is an amazing platform that helps you to create wonderful, amazing graphic works. So this profile pic, I created it using Canva, and this I made it in Gmail. So follow with me if you need to create a professional email signature. Well, I'm going to show you how to create this professional profile picture in Canva. And like I told you, Canva is an amazing platform. So once you have logged into Canva and you have logged into your account, you just come here on the search button, then you type in profile pic. So when you press enter, it's going to display for you a series of various templates. The ones which have got this icon, it means it's a pro version and you have to pay some money. But in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use a free template, because whatever I'm going to show you, it is free and you can do it on your own. So let me decide to use this template. So I'm going to click on it, then I click on customize this template because I want to use it. I want to create a professional profile picture. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to delete this. I delete this. Simple, you just click and delete. Nothing much it is involved. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to change this image to my own image. So what I do, you select the image that you want, then you come here on what? On upload. So depending on where you have the image. For example, for me, I already uploaded the image, but in case you don't have the image, you click on upload file. Then when you click on upload file, you'll have to select where the image is stored. So for my case, I already uploaded the image, so I will just select the image. When I select the image, it is displayed there. So when I simply just drag like this, I will just fit it to my shape. Then I want to reduce on the height. So what I do, I simply click on the image, then I just play with the image. I just keep on dragging to see that it fits the circle. So I think this one can work. Then after seeing that your image, it's in the right dimension that you want, you can go ahead and press done, as you're seeing. So my image, I think this is a nice profile pic that will suit my Gmail signature. So after doing that, you simply go here where you see share. When you click on it, it's going to display this. So I click on download since I want to download this image. So my image is in PNG, but there's a series of extensions. If you want JPG, if you want PDF, but for my case, I want PNG. So I click on download. When I click on download, my image, it has finished downloading. So when I click on it, this is my professional picture. So that is step one. I think you're following and you're able to also create your profile pic. So remember, we have used Canva to create our profile picture. So the second step, I'm going to show you how to create a professional Gmail signature. Well, let me show you how to create this professional Gmail signature. So it is very simple. What you have to do, the first step, you need to log into your Gmail account. So when you look at this window, I've already logged into my Gmail account. So what you're going to do, first things first, you click on our icon of settings. So you're seeing, you click on settings, then you click on see all settings. So when you click on see all settings, it will display this. So what you're going to do, you scroll down. So you scroll down up to this section where you see signature. So what you're going to do here, uh, right now we have no signatures. Wow, maybe I didn't know how to create a professional email signature, but let us learn together today. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to create something like this, exactly like this. I know I don't want you to use the same names. Like for this example, you have your own names. Where you see Lule Sharif, you can put your own name. And where you see Lane Tech Studio, you can put the name of your company. Here you can put your designation. If you're the CEO, the manager, marketing manager, here you can put your contacts. If your company has a website, you can go ahead and put the website. Then here you can put your social media icons. And I'm going to show you all how to do this. So let us go back to our Gmail. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to click on create new since I'm creating a new signature. So you have to give it a signature name. So it is Lule Sharif. My signature name, I'm going to give it Lule Sharif. Then I click on create as you're seeing. Then here, it is where the magic happens. But remember, you have to insert in that image. So for you to do it in a proper way, I'm going to use Google Docs. So Google Docs, you go to your browser, you type in Google Docs, then you click on our first link here, Google Docs. So you click on it, it will load for you the Google Doc. Then you click on it. So what I'm going to do, when you look at my signature here, I told you I'm going to do exactly like this. So what I'm going to do, I come here, I click on insert table. I want 3, I go to table, I select 3 columns. So the first column, I'm going to insert there my photo. So I click on insert, upload from a computer. I go where my photo is saved. So this is my photo. So I click on it. I click on insert. So my photo is uploaded. I can try to remove the space around my photo. So I just select my photo, then I click on the crop icon as you're seeing crop image. So I just simply drag like this. Simple. Nothing much is involved. So if that is good, I press OK. So I'm going to drag to see that. I make it small. Then I go to the third column. It's where I'm going to put all these details. So for the interest of time, let me just copy this. I'm going to copy these details. Then I paste them there. But all this color can change. If you want to change this color, you just select like this. Then you go to this icon of text color. So suppose you want to give it which color? Let me try to give it blue, dark blue. So you're seeing it has changed to dark blue. Whatever you're seeing here, you can change it to your own user requirement. So I don't know the color that you want, but you know the color that you want. Maybe you can use your organization color. Yeah, I think we are all following. So after finishing that, you have added your details. Thanks and regards, Dole Sharif, designation IC trainer, web developer, and YouTuber. These are my contacts, and this is the website for our company. So when you look at this Gmail sign down here, we have social media icons. I know now you're asking yourself, Sharif, how am I able to get those social media icons? It is just simple. What you're going to do, there is here another website. It is free. It is called Flat Icon. Flat. You go to your browser, you type in Flat Icon, then you press enter. So on Flat Icon, we have a series of what? You just come here on the search button, you put there social media icon, social media, social media, social media icons. That's what I'm looking for. Then you press enter. It's going to display for you a series of social media icons. So what you will do, you will download only the social media icons you want. For example, YouTube. If you want this, you select, you click on PNG, then free download. It is downloading. So it has finished downloading. So if I want X, since nowadays Twitter is called X, I click on X, PNG, still it has downloaded. So when you download your icons, they're here, they're right here. If I want to view my icons, I just go to downloads. I think you're able to see Twitter and YouTube. So you can go ahead and download other more items. So for the interest of the time, let me show you how to insert these icons. So you select where you want to insert your icons, then you click on insert, then you go to image, upload from computer. Let me start with X. X is Twitter. I don't want you to get confused. So it is big. I don't want you to run. What you're going to do now, we're going to set dimension for this size. So how do I set the dimension? You double click on it. When you click on it like this, you go to image options, then resize and rotation. Here on width, I'm going to give it 0.3. So 0.3, I think it is far much better. Then I can go ahead and insert other icons. Insert other icon, upload from computer. We have the YouTube icon. Still, you click on it, then you set the width 0.3. So that is my width. Which other social media icon that I want? I want to add Facebook. So on my computer I already downloaded them, so I'll just go to the folder where I have my icons. So Facebook is here. I click on it. So I set the size dimension. So there we go. Facebook is there. So after inserting in my social media icons, I want these icons to be clickable, such that when I send someone an email, when I send you an email like this, I'm able to click. When I click on the icon of YouTube, I want it to take me to that page of YouTube. That's what they mean with a clickable icon. So that is very easy. You shouldn't fear anything. So what I need, let me start with YouTube. You select the icon of YouTube, then you come here on this icon, insert a link. Then, of course, whatever icon you put there, you have to make sure that you have a link for that icon. So what I'm going to do, you select the icon like I've said, you click on insert a link, then you paste the link, then you click on apply. The same applies here on X. You click on that icon of X, insert a link, then you paste the link for Twitter, then you click on apply. The same for Facebook. You click on it, you come here on insert a link, you put there the link for Facebook, you click on apply. That is done. So the second, the other thing, we don't want these boundaries. For example, when you go back to our Gmail signature, I'm not seeing any boundaries. So I don't want to see those boundaries. What I will do, it is just simple. You click on it, then press shift. Click on it, press shift. So you select these boundaries. I'm going to select the boundaries as you're seeing. You click on the boundary, then you press shift to make sure that it doesn't undo. So you come here on the border width, you give it a border of 0. As you're seeing, I'm giving it what? 0. is the first. So when you give it a border width of 0, you're not able to see anything. So when you try to copy this from your Google Docs to your Gmail here, you paste. I think it has moved very well. Then after pasting, you come down here, you click on Save Changes. When you click on Save Changes and you try to compose your email, 1 minute, you go back to settings, see all settings. My email is here. My signature, it was created, but it's not displaying. So I have to come here down on signature defaults. I select these options. For a new emails use, I have to select the signature that I want. It is Lule Sharif. Then on replying still, I have to make sure that my signature should be there. So I click on save. When I click on save and I come back here on compose, I'm able to see my what? I'm able to see my Gmail signature. So guys, that's how you're able to create a Gmail signature. And don't, don't, don't again send someone an email without an email signature. Remember, as a professional or as an administrator, your brand matters. So such a simple thing, it can add value to the people you're communicating with. Thank you so much for following. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. God bless you.